Alright, YouTube, it's Thursday, February the 11th. It's the day after the big snowstorm. We're here in Tinton Falls, New Jersey, and a good bit of the snow's already melted, but here it is. This is what we've got. This is the driveway, and as you can see, got a decent bit of snow, at least where it's been piled up. That's what's left to be plowed. Here's my car. Could be worse, but got a bit of digging out to do. There's a tree. Snow's fallen off most of it already. But that's the street, which we can finally see again. Yesterday that was completely covered in snow. Couldn't see it at all. There's the house. Roof snow level's gone down quite a bit. It was a lot worse yesterday. Over here is the sidewalk to the front of the house. It's got a few boulders here, but that's got to get shoveled out. There's a tree in the front yard. Neighbor's house with their yard. So let's go down to the street. You can see how high the plows have been shoveling the snow up. They like plowing us in, but that's been cleared out. And here's the street. Here's some of the crap on the side of the street driveway. Some stuff that's still got to get plowed. And streets aren't too bad. Decent bit of snow still. That's the street. Power lines are all right, which is good. Power went out once, but came back on shortly after. That's up at the end of the street. Here's the mailbox, which we can get to again. And in the distance there is the fire hydrant, which I'm surprised the fire department hasn't dug out yet. There's trees again. Bring you around for a look out back real quick, where there's been no plowing. There's my car again. It's a 1996 Infiniti G20. So yeah, it's a little old, but it still works. So that's the backyard over there. The snow's completely in the way, so can't really get to it, unfortunately. And that crackens the snow falling off. Those are some plants that used to be sticking up. But there you go. That's what it looks like here in North Tinton Falls, New Jersey. Could be worse. Had school closed today and yesterday though, so I'm actually out of snow days now. But there you go. That's the snow here.